This is my little steam engine going. I acquired this, no burner. That's my fuel tank, laugh out loud. Pressure gauge, doesn't work very well, but I only paid 20 quid for this. And I think we're up to pressure, so I'll set these. There we go. And it's got a reverse lever on it. A displacement lubricator. I think that's a blower. Don't know. I think that's the input. It's a non-return valve, so I presume you put a pump on it. And there's a blower. That's my little marine thingy. I'm going to use a boiler, obviously polish it up, and I'll be putting that on a beam engine. Oh, my beam engine. My beam engine's over here in the making. It's scratch built. I'm making everything myself, deciding how big to make things and putting it all together. But that's my diagram I'm working from. Hand drawn. 2 sets of dimensions, a bigger one and a smaller one. But yeah, that's what I'm working to. Well, at least I know the boiler works and all the copper's intact and there's no leaks on the actual boiler itself. No leaks on the jacket, a little bit of a sight glass in there. Oh, it did come with a burner over here. Came with that bit. I'll have to try and make the rest. And I've attached that to gas bottle at the moment. But yeah, one of my little projects. It's on the go. Oh yeah, the famous fridge compressor for a little steam engine. Should connect that up really, shouldn't I? Oh well, maybe another day. I might have 2. Might have that one and the beam engine. Hope you enjoy that video.